Skeem Saam's Leeto is already the best lawyer of 2019. While many of us are still getting over the babalaas from the festive season, Skeem Saam's Leeto is already in beast mode and is taking on the bad guys. The lawyer, played by actor Eric Macheru, agreed to help Principal Tobagale get her job back. There was a tense moment where Leeto and Ma were taken by surprise over the case being heard so soon, but that was quickly solved with Leeto's quick thinking. He also sorted out a crooked lawyer and it was clear that he was ready for a new opposition. Leeto got his wish and destroyed another lawyer on Monday night's episode of the hit SUBCRIBE. Ma was really impressed by Leeto's arguments during her latest court appearance and couldn't help but gush over how he had roasted the opposition. And it seems she wasn't the only one impressed. The internet was soon filled with memes and messages saluting their hero.